Alright, so my app is called On the Go Fridge. This is my image. So On the Go Fridge is an app that allows a person to know what's in their refrigerator at all times. Um, so instead of having to really try to guess what you've got remaining in your fridge in case you're low on food or whatnot, and can't decide if you want to eat out or not, you can just pull up the app and look from anywhere. The app is meant for a person to be able to, say, delete or add items once they are added or, say, expired or whatnot. It also allows a user to add items to a shopping list if they run out. It also allows them to share it across, say, a family or roommates or such. That way they know what's in the fridge as well. As a user, I want to be able to log in so that I can look what's inside the fridge. As a user, I want to be able to create an account by pressing the button so I can use the app. This button right here. As a user, I want to be able to change my information so that I can always have up-to-date information. As a user, I want to be able to add items so I can tell what is in the fridge by pressing this button. As a user, I want to be able to delete items from a fridge so that I know that they are no longer there. As a user, I want to be able to add items to the shopping list so that I do not forget to get more when I go shopping. As a user, I want to be able to keep track of dietary contents so that I can better watch my diet. As a user, I want to be able to scan barcodes so that I can have another way to add items into my fridge. As a user, I want to be able to share what's in my fridge with other users in the group so everyone in the group knows what's in the fridge.